solve x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. Now, first off, when we have these quadratic equations, we're going to see if we can factor the polynomial. In this case, we can't, so we have to use the quadratic formula. So here it is. You're probably familiar with it already. And our a, b, and c values are just going to be 1, 1, and 1. And so we plug in a, b, and c, all three of the numbers and coefficients. And we're going to get right here. So we have negative 1 plus or minus. And we have 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. So that's 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. And then that's all over 2. Now, negative 3, you see we have a negative number in the square root sign, which means we have an imaginary number I. And we can rewrite that as square root of negative 1 times square root of 3, because if you multiply two roots, you multiply their insides. And so this and these two are equivalent. And square root of negative 1 is I, the imaginary number. And so, let's go back to our solution, is x equals to negative 1 plus or minus I times the square root of 3 over 2. And so if you want to find both the solutions, that'll be plus I square root of 3 over 2 and minus I square root of 3 over 2. But you can also write, you can split the 2 up into negative 1 over 2 and I root 3 over 2, which is what I've done here. These two statements are equivalent, and so you can also express your answers as this and this.